nice job, nice job.
Oh, yeah. And the front end?
Yeah. And then around on the front. See, and really what I'm doing is I'm just cueing her from the front. Of course, I give her hoops, hoop, hoop, hoop. Back up. Hoop, back up. Okay, that's good. There you go. Hoop, 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 hoop. No, I'm not asking for one round. Okay, you're going to do it anyway. Ho, ho.
She's like, no, this is fun. This is more fun.
He's going, well, okay, though, if I keep working hard enough, I'll get a treat here. Okay, ho. Okay, just stand. Stand there, that's good. No, I'll give to you on this side.
Which side did you say she was blind on? The left side.
She's blind on this side.